Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we work on this to finish. This is what I made as usual, and today we have to work on the body. Cut, wash, paint, perhaps some modifications. After this, on the car and on the truck. Don't comment, don't like, don't subscribe. Thank you. Today's work begins with this wonderful, very old, very used, but superb Tamiya shiso. Along the body there's the line as usual, and there are two ways to do this: shisos and cutter with a very new blade. With the cutter it's quite easy because you have just to follow the line, but perhaps if you're not so with a steady hand, you can cut the body. So I prefer to use this. And before I cut the most part, then, because it's very difficult to follow the line with all this plastic around, look carefully at the borderline, not borderline like the line that you have to follow to cut the body. Okay, and this is the first. Now, more precise along the line. And as I don't want to bore you, I will show at the end with the body completely cutted. The body is cutted out. Now I have to finish, and to do this, like in here, lot of points that are not perfect, but I left them, so I will use this on this. And I will finish with sandpaper. Done! And now wash. Dish soap, water, and water. Then let it dry, and first layer with this color. The body is clean, and now we are going to make it dirt, because we have to mask with this wonderful Tamiya masking tape. The thing is that you have to handle the body, and our skin is quite grease, and it's possible that grease gets on, then you have to wash it again. So first of all, wash carefully also your hands, then good luck. When you use the cutter, don't press too much, because Lexus is very sensible to the cutted lines. No matter if you are not so precise, because over this you will have the sticker, so the sticker will cover your mistakes. To paint, we use the same system for the shell, the bottom part of the body. So green, green, white, black. Super nice. Ready for second. Done. Now I leave it here all night long, then will be time for white tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning. It's white time. Some of you told me they used silver. Yes, could be silver. Why not? Done generously. Dry black. Quite dry. I don't understand why this is matte and this is gloss. Perhaps it is not sticky. Appears dried. Perhaps the process has to run a little bit, but I think that we can unmask the windows and see the mess I'm able to make with masking tape. Well, not a big mess. Here. There's always some mistake, but no matter, we have a sticker outside. Perfect. And now it's always difficult to find the starting point. Wonderful. Next, stickers, Shiso. But before, I would like to make two openings, 1 and 2. We have the black stickers, but I prefer to open it as the car is very close with the undershell, and it will be like this. very closed, and perhaps air intake here, this not too much, but perhaps, and it's nice. But I have to cut them in the way not to create the beginning of a crack. So with a drill 1, 2, 3, 4 at the angles round, and then follow a possible line, the best line I can do. Lot of holes. No, like a Gruyere. Now I want to leave a little space here, so I have to cut or scrape. Return back later. Super nice. And now this one. Done. The two air intake are open. I find them very nice. Next, stickers. No, not this time. I always say, and now stickers, but I prefer to mount the body on the car, because there are some issues. It's not so easy, because the battery cable are a little problem, these cable are a little problem, and these two. Perhaps this has to go here, and everything under here. Pay attention to the rotating shaft. Let me see, because I don't want body posts, then I have to think about the holes 1 and 2, and okay, let's glue the Velcro on the body. Come on! Whoop! And now, very large. Yes, quite good. Super stable. Wow, wow, wow. And here, oh shit. Okay. And this is one. Now, what? I can. Okay. Nicer. And this this has to be free, as I can't connect it from here. Yes, I can connect. Let me see. 1 upside down, 2, and then push here under. Better. I love this way. And also the weight is lower. what a weight. And when I cut them here, as I can reuse them. Short, but... And now what? Stickers! No, 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 no. Stickers! Next video. For today, this is all. Thank you very much for watching. Don't comment, don't like, don't subscribe overall. And next video, I know you are waiting for this. Ciao!